Thank you for joining me today for a quick demo of Lytics. Our mission is to help today's customer-centric organizations use first-party data to optimize all aspects of their business. And many of our customers are engaged in large-scale digital cloud transformations. CDP solutions can be an important part of this transformation, but most organizations do not want to deploy a standalone CDP. They want a solution that is well integrated with their cloud data strategies, one that builds upon the investments they've already made in cloud data. Lytics is a 100% Google Cloud native CDP built on a composable architecture that enables many different ways to get started, achieve value quickly, and grow over time as use cases mature. Let's take a look at how Lytics works. One of the biggest challenges customers face is connecting data, and Lytics has a specific solution built to help data engineers connect data, resolve identities, and build profiles. It's called Lytics Conductor, and it's able to go deep technically to provide your organization with complete control over your data and identity models. In Conductor, you'll find a wide range of connectors that enable you to leverage data from pretty much any source. Let me give you an example. If I click on Pipeline, select Sources, and Create New, I have a wide range of pre-built connectors that I can select from. I'll choose Shopify and just import some of the standard tables from Shopify. And done. Once your sources are connected, if you need to make any adjustments to the schema, it's fully available to you within the UI. Let's look at some of the fields. For example, here's a Shopify field, and if I want to edit that field, you can see what makes it up. If it's an identifier key, you can identify it as such, so it will be added to the ID graph. Otherwise, you can create and add new fields to your schema and publish those schema changes. Those can all be visualized in the application here in a interactive schema visualizer here. Here's some of the new data that we've brought in, and you can see the connecting keys that are being used and how the various customers are connected across the schema. From this schema, we create incredibly robust profiles that are also incredibly accurate because of the ability of Conductor to establish and configure identity rules that meet the needs of your business. In this example, we've got 5 different identifiers, and we've decided that the most accurate, important is the Shopify customer ID. That's what we want to center our identity around. So we've made that the most important, but you can see that it's linked to other identifiers, and you can visualize the identity graph that's being built. You can also explore any individual profile. So let me search for one, and you can see an individual profile here. You can see the identifiers for the individual here, as well as explore the complete profile. This is in JSON format. You can see all the details in the profile here that we have merged and created together over time. This profile is fully accessible via API, as well as downloadable from the interface. These powerful profiles can be made even stronger through our partnership with LiveRamp, which appends a ramp ID to the profile, allowing you to augment through a wide range of data sources and activate across a vast advertising ecosystem. Together, Lytics and LiveRamp provide a comprehensive solution to identity resolution and management that gives you full control over your first-party data, allowing you to reconcile identities across a wide range of solutions and advertising channels. Lytics also includes both web and mobile SDKs for real-time collection of behavioral attributes and triggers. But we don't just collect data in real time, we use AI to make it more powerful. For example, we take all of the pages that are viewed, and instead of just giving you a list of the pages hit, we run each page through Google Vertex AI natural language processing to enrich each profile, whether known or unknown, with detailed content affinities. This is just part of how we build out of the box the most complete and powerful vertex-enriched profiles available. There are many other ways to extend these profiles as well, including third-party augmentation and reverse ETL activation from existing cloud data warehouses. We use generative AI together with reverse ETL to make creation of audiences super easy for non-technical users. For example, if I want to create a new audience and I want to activate that audience from a BigQuery warehouse, I select BQ as my data source, and instead of writing the query, I simply enter a plain language description of what I'm looking for, and I can hit translate. And this is using generative AI to write the SQL query behind the scenes that will be used to query directly from this BQ warehouse. So in this way, we help non-technical users use the power of SQL, but using plain language descriptors. But perhaps most valuably, Lytics takes all of this data and builds a BQ warehouse of events and profile data, enabling custom AI through Google Vertex, advanced BI through Looker, and secure data sharing through Analytics Hub. In addition to out-of-the-box ML-driven audiences that are included with Lytics, all of the data that you've collected and the profile enrichments that you've made can be used to build more advanced custom segments and audiences. Audience membership is evaluated in real time and can be synchronized to destinations in real time as well, enabling advertising optimization and personalization through endless marketing channels. Any of the data that's been collected can be used to build the segmentation logic and to construct the audiences. On-site personalization capabilities are core to Lytics. Build triggered and audience-based experiences with a simple point-and-click experience builder. Here I can add website personalization to my site using integrated capabilities in Lytics. For example, let's make content recommendations based on users' activity on the site. We'll look at product recommendations and we'll make recommendations in the household collection based on most recent interactions that users have with content. And the integrated functionality here allows you to build your own modals or use your own CSS to make them fit in just right with your own website design. And then select which audience you want to apply that to. In this case, I'm going to apply it to potential churners. So I'm using ML to determine when somebody's likely to churn. And based on that, we'll pop up the modal to show product recommendations based on the user's most recent interests. So let me show you what that looks like. It should pop up from the left, and you can see that it's got the descriptions that we put in there and the product recommendation being made. Or use multi-channel orchestrated journeys to drive users toward your desired goals. Engage and convert customers using ML to ensure the right message is meeting the right customer at the right time in support of your goals. While Lytics offers contextual reporting across the entire application, the real power comes from the new integrated dashboard and report builder. For example, here we've built a dashboard for our marketing leadership that shows a variety of different kinds of widgets, key metrics, makeup, composition, overlap, and size of different audiences. Each of these widgets is individually controlled and can be deleted, added, modified, both in terms of the content it shows as well as the formatting. So a lot of functionality here integrated into the product. For customers who want to do more, because we put all of the data into a BigQuery warehouse, customers leverage Looker or Tableau atop that BigQuery warehouse to do more advanced business intelligence atop the powerful dashboarding capabilities that are native to Lytics. Interested in learning more? Let's talk about your specific use cases, and we'll show you how we can help you make the most of your customer data. Thanks for watching today.